Today we will see about in mathematical tools about differential calculus. We know that if we have two variables x and y such that x is independent variable and y is dependent variable, then we can write y is equal to function of x. Any change in x, corresponding value of y will be changes. We have represented, suppose a with this graph, suppose y equal to function is represented, x is represented by point A. Now value of x has been changed to x plus delta x as you see here. The corresponding value of y has been changed, y plus delta y. Now equation second minus first delta y, we get the value, and their ratio delta y by delta x is this one. ठीक है, delta y by delta x, that represents the slope of the graph line. It represents the line AB. Delta y by delta x, that is the AB by AC, slope of that graph. ठीक है, that is tan theta, or if the angle is theta. Now when delta x tends to 0, limiting value is 0, then that line AB represents at a point and AB will be tangent at that point. So that one is called limiting value of, or you can say that gives the rate of change of y with respect to x and represented by dy by dx. That is dy by dx is equal to limiting delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. Now there are some formulas which will utilize to find out differential coefficient of variables y with respect to x. Okay, we will use here to find out the value. Now see about integration. As you know, integration, that is the inverse of differentiation. ठीक है, we have plot a graph, integrate करना, we have inverse of differentiation means we have to add here. Suppose PQ is the graph, represents variation of y. Now area, we have to find out area of that graph PQBA. This is not of a particular shape like triangle, rectangles, squares, parallelogram, like so on. So it will not easy to find out its area. Okay. So y equal to function A at point P in that graph represented by FA and Q FB. Y is equal to Fx, A and B have value at point P and Q. Now in order to find out its area, we divided into n numbers, capital N numbers we have taken here, and each strip is delta x. Okay. Now when we sum up this delta x, it will give the up to n numbers, that will give the area of PQBA, but its area will be little bit less than actual area. Reason behind, you see that at each strip some triangular parts is left, which is not counted in that strips area, rectangular strips area, so that area will be less. Now when n tends to infinite, delta x tends to 0, so that area will be vanishes, and it will be almost it will represent the curve PQ. So area of this one limiting x tends to 0, summation of fx I value 1, 2, 3, 4, like so on, I is equal to 1 to n, fxi delta x, that will be the area of the graph, and that limiting value, so that can be replaced as a is equal to integration a to b fx dx. Okay, that integration is limiting value a and b is the upper limit, a is the lower limit. If that limits are not present, then it will be in indefinite integration, otherwise definite integration. Indefinite integration, we will put their values fx a to b, then fb minus fm, upper limit minus lower limit. In that way we can find out its value. Now there's some formula that can be used to find out integration. Okay, thanks.